Hello everyone, it's Nicole here. I want to do something casual today, so why not do some propagation since I have this long variegated arrowhead. Let me show you how long this guy is. It's been growing so much since I got her back in April or May. So I don't really like it to be that long because the longer it gets, the leaves are just smaller since I let it trail down. So I just want to do some easy propagation and also give you guys some updates of my life recently. Well, let's do the propagation first and then I talk about it. So variegated arrowhead is just arrowhead. It's very easy to care for. So what I plan to do is cut it right below its notes. So it's right here. And then stick it to the water. I collect some rainwater from the storms that happened a few days ago. Actually a couple of days ago. So I just plan to cut it and put it to the water. Where should I start from? This one or that one? They are very long. So let me do this one here. As you can see, it has very nice variegation. I really like it. I just wish the leaves could get bigger. So let's do it, even though I don't really want to, but I know it's necessary. So here it has some good roots. I'm going to cut it right here. And then put it here. And for this one, I want to do it right here. And I don't really like it to be this long, so I'm going to cut it and stick it to the water. And for this one, I want to do, I hope you can see it, probably right here. So I don't really like the angle, so let me cut here, make it shorter, and then do it one here and stick this one to the water as well. And for this guy, I really like it to grow straight up. So I'm going to cut here and put it in. And I'm going to do the same for the rest of it. If you watch my previous videos, you probably know that my parents are in town. They are here for 2.5 months with me. So my parents don't speak English at all and they cannot read English either. So I feel very bad because every day they got stuck at home because they don't have a driver's license, of course. They basically just wait for me to come home from work so that I can take them to places to look around. I feel very bad about that, but there is nothing I can do. So whenever I have time, I want to be with them. I want to keep them company. I want to be a good daughter, and I want to create some good memories between us. Even though I have a lot of videos ideas, I cannot really do it, or I just don't want to do it. When they come here to visit me, their flight is about 25-26 hours long. This is very tough for old people. So I really want to spend as much time as I could to be with them, hang out with them, or just talk, or go shopping and do something fun together. Just have that good memories, take a lot of photos. So I really hope you could understand me. This is, I'm just so happy that they're here. They are leaving in a couple weeks. After they leave, I should be able to produce more good quality content videos for you guys. Alright, I think that's it. So I actually got another jar. This is my kimchi jar. I just use it as the propagation jar, I guess. And I have 1, I have 2. So all I'm going to do is wait for them to root. And now my little guy it looks like this. I really want to cut it right here. I don't know if you can see right here. I'm not quite sure if they will root because the arrowroot is damaged. So I am going to leave it like this. Maybe I should put some chalice, some poles to let it grow up. I don't really like it trail down, to be honest, because they're getting too laggy. This is what I don't want. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this kind of propagation and chat with me video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you like. And I will see you in my next one.